Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Reach World Rank 12 so the crafting bench becomes available, because the knuckles require crafted components. Once done, focus on gathering 150 metal shards and 25 circuit fragments. These materials directly feed the recipe. Next, enter the tutorial arena and clear 3 waves to trigger the blueprint spawn. You do this now because the blueprint won't appear without that combat trigger. And without the blueprint, once the blueprint is in your inventory, make your way to the vendor in the central hub. You need 50 arena tokens to buy advanced alloys required by the recipe. While you're there, confirm the blueprint is selected in the crafting bench UI so the game shows required components. Then combine the alloys with your circuit fragments at the bench to form the knuckle core. This step is crucial because the core ties alloys to the blueprint and unlocks the final assembly. You finish by placing the knuckle core plus 100 metal shards into the crafting bench and selecting Assemble. This completes the metal knuckles. Then equip them in Loadout Slot 2 and validate their stats in the practice arena so you can see damage and durability firsthand. If the knuckles fail to appear, relog and check inventory first. Make sure the blueprint didn't get consumed earlier. If problems persist, clear the game cache or reinstall the latest update to resolve sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.